Welcome. This is a beginner-friendly yoga stretch for upper body tension relief. Know that if anything doesn't feel right today, simply skip the pose and come to a pose or movement that feels best for you. Coming to a comfortable seat, whatever that may be for you. If you'd like to learn how to sit cross-legged more comfortably, be sure to click the link, the class I've linked just above in the top corner of this video. We'll begin circulating the head, feeling out all the clicks and ticks. Now circulating the shoulders, just finding some movement here. And we'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch to your left hand to the mat. Right hand reaches up and over. Option to bend the right elbow if that feels best today. And we'll inhale, reach back up overhead. Exhale, side stretch to your right. Once again, feel free to bend the left elbow this time. And we'll inhale to release, coming back to center. We'll take the left hand straight out towards your left. Doing your best to keep the wrist in line with the shoulder. Pointing the fingers towards the sky. It's almost like you're pressing the palm into a wall. We'll begin to point the fingertips down towards the mat. Almost like you're pressing the top of the hand into a wall. And one more time, we'll point the fingertips up. And we'll point them down. We'll plant the left hand straight down on the mat, keeping the arm as straight as you can. Feel free to keep a slight bend if that feels better, but just doing your best to keep it nice and straight here, reaching that hand as far out as you comfortably can to where you're sitting tall. And you can rest here if this is enough of a stretch, or begin to draw the right ear towards the right shoulder. Option to find some movement, drawing the chin up and down. And we'll release. Shake it out. Switching sides. Take the right hand straight out, pointing the fingertips towards the sky. pointing the fingertips down. One more time, pointing up. And we'll point the fingertips down. We'll plant the right hand straight down on the mat, resting here if it's enough of a stretch, or begin to draw the left ear towards the left shoulder. Option to find some movement, drawing the chin forward and back. We'll release. Take a moment. When you're ready, coming to tabletop, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. We'll inhale, dropping the belly, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement, moving at your own pace. And we'll begin to walk the hands forward as you find a gentle sway. So just finding a bit of movement here. When you're ready, just melting the forehead down towards the mat. And if this does feel a bit intense today, pause the video, go and grab a few books or a block and place it underneath the forehead for a little more height, as high as you need. And we'll gently release, coming all the way to our bellies, resting on the forearms. Inhale, lifting the sternum, lengthening through the spine. Exhale, softening the shoulders. And we'll press into the hands, release back up to tabletop. Inhale, the right hand reaches up, gentle twist. Exhale, threading it underneath the left arm. Option to reach the left hand towards the top of the mat. Release, shake it out. And And we'll switch sides. Inhale, left hand reaches up. Exhale, threading it under the right arm. Option to take the right hand towards the top of the mat. Coming back to our tabletop pose, shake it out. Straightening the left leg. And we'll shift the right foot to the outside of the right side of the mat, opening up to your left. Left toes pointed towards the left side of the mat. Inhale, left hand reaches up. Exhale, reach it over for a gate pose variation. And we'll gently release. Right leg straightens. Left foot to the outside of your mat. And we'll inhale for gate pose. Exhale, release. Sending the hips towards your heels, forehead or cheek to the mat for child's pose. Reaching the hands towards the top of the mat. Option here to place pillows underneath the hips or torso for added height, added support. Drawing the breath into the chest. Exhale, softening the shoulders and the upper back, allowing yourself to fully let go here, to fully surrender, allowing the body to get slightly heavier with each exhale. Gently release. Make your way to your back. Back stays flat on the mat as you drop both knees towards your left. Elbows in line with the shoulders. Option to place pillows under or between the knees. So just for a little added support. You can even place pillows under the right shoulder for less of a twist. Using your inhales to create space. Exhales to fully let go. And we'll inhale, lift the legs. Exhale, dropping the knees towards your right. Option to modify here. Observing the body and any sensations that do come up. Inhale, lift the legs. We'll hug the knees towards the chest. Big hug. Exhale, taking the feet to the bottom of the mat. Hands to your sides, palms facing up. And just taking a short moment out of the day, out of your practice to just be. To observe the body in its fully relaxed state, its fully present state. And to soak in all the work you just did. We'll gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side. Rolling over towards your right, full inhale. And exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.